Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing this colorful makeup look, and this is inspired by a video that I saw on YouTube from James Charles. He was doing a makeup look on a TikTok star, Charlie D'Amelio, and they did like this pastel tie-dye inspired eyeshadow look. So this is my take on it. So I will be using the James Charles Morphe palette for this eye look. So if you want to see how I get this look, then please keep watching. Okay, I already have my foundation on, so first thing I'm going to do is take some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyelids. And I'm going to take some loose setting powder and set that down. So I'm going to take the James Charles X Morphe palette, and in the video I don't know what all colors he used because he didn't really say, so I'm just going to wing it. I'm going to take a Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush, JH40, just a small blending brush, and I'm going to take the yellow shade and I'm gonna start putting that over in the inner part of my eye. Next, I'm going to take a JH33 Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm going to go in with this like peachy orangey color. I'm going to take an Anastasia blending brush, and I'm going to take the hot pink color in the palette, and we're going to go in with that. I'm going to take a clean big blending brush and kind of lightly run over the edge. And then what I'm going to do is go back in one more time with each color. Okay, this is what we've got going right now. So I'm gonna do the eyeshadow on the other side, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here's the eyeshadow done. So now I'm gonna go in with some pencil liner and line my tight line, and then some liquid liner and do a wing. Okay, there is winged liner. Now we're gonna go in with some mascara and false lashes. I'm going to use the Ardell Demi Wispies today. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is take this highlight shade and put that on my inner corners and my brow bone. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup and then we will see the final look. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you would like to see next in the comments below. I will have all of the products that I put on my face listed in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. And please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.